Oh my god, guys. We are going to mix all my slimes. So, this is how much slime we're going to mix.
And this one.
Wait. This is all the slime we're going to mix. And this. And some already fell down, so... Oh my god, this is going to be so much slime. And we're in Natalia's house today. So let's just add these in. Okay, just add a bunch. Okay. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be really sticky because most of these slimes are very sticky. So
that
be back.
Like jelly-ish.
I know.
And we can't mix them like one. Yeah, so you know.
Just put a lot.
This one's white.
This one's white. Okay, be back when these two are fully poured in. Okay, so we got this jelly one done.
And the white one.
The white one. Okay, get 2 more out. Just keep stacking cups. I'll mix. Watch out.
Okay, no.
Only the bowl.
Mix at the end, remember?
It's fine. Okay, next I'll be the best examiner.
Okay,
I'll
add in this one. Let's all add it in.
So next one is this. There's gonna be, I bet, like part 3 of this.
Yeah, because it's gonna take a long time. That one's like, no, this one's like this. Okay.
Trying to clean my hands off. Oh my god, no, I can't touch my hands with this.
I can.
No, this is really disgusting, I'm telling you.
Well, we'll see you guys when it's all out.
Okay, this
guys,
one's really good, right?
I'm gonna mix in this one.
Okay, this is a clear slime. Yes.
Oh my god. This, look.
It's the amazing clear slime.
Can I feel it?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Put that in there.
Like the bottom is like
Wait,
not.
we gotta fix this up a little bit. Clean this up a little bit.
This is really good.
Okay,
I can
add this
anyway.
I just like mixing my slimes.
Okay.
This is a nice purple slime.
Don't mind my clothes. This one's like crazy.
This one's like crazy.
No, this
Oh my god, this one's really good.
This one's so sticky.
This one's so good. And are you using it?
I don't know.
Wait, we gotta clean this up.
Because you brought it.
Wait, Nathalia, you gotta do this. I'm trying to clean up a little bit so your mom won't get mad.
This one isn't like really.
Okay.
Now, oh, okay, guys.
Next.
I'll do this. No, I'll do this one.
I'll do this.
Okay, this one's like a clear-ish kind of. Oh my god, that is so sticky. Look, guys, look at this.
Just try to pour it.
Look at this.
Just pour it in.
Look at that. Oh my god, it's gonna
be sticky. It's just jiggly slime, that's why.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh my god.
Okay, don't put it in.
Wait, I'm trying to clean my hands. Okay. No, this color changing one. So this is white, but it turns pink when you play with it. So I'm gonna play with it for a little bit.
I'm adding in this cool one.
Well, Nathalia adds that. Look, it's turning pink while I'm playing with it.
Wait, is this an icy or something?
No, I put what's it called? Snow inside here.
Oh yeah, okay, you do that one. Oh my god.
Guys, remember some of these are some of our balloon slimes and snow slimes.
Okay,
we're gonna be adding in our snow slime later. Okay, can you clean the bowls too? Can you clean the bowls while you're doing that too? Yeah. Oh my god, the floor. The floor is lava. It's falls off slime.
I don't think. Okay.
Oh my god, this is
all
all
your hands right here. It's not really sticky.
Okay, let's work. Oh wait. Oh my god, wait, can you clean that up? Nathalia?
What?
And I'll just like make it neater. Okay, we're adding in a white one.
Wait, can you help me please? Okay, we'll be done when we clean them up. Okay, we're done. Now I'm gonna add in this one. Wait, what the heck? It's like different color.
I know.
Whoa.
This one's so good.
This one's amazing. I feel like that's the same slime. Wait, can I feel it?
Yeah.
Oh,
mix it in.
There's so much sand in here. Like all of that is sand.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's my I can't even take out the sand. I did it. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is amazing.
Okay.
This is a lot of slime, guys. I'm not joking. This is like all my slime.
All hers, not mine. Look at this one. It's like 2D 3D or something. Oh no, this one's a lot. Really sticky.
Just add it in if it's sticky. That's what I'm doing. That sounds wrong. Okay, guys, this is gonna be really crazy.
Messy too.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, can you wait?
Can I just clean my hands?
Yeah, me too. You're cleaning it next to the sticky ones.
I don't care.
Okay. Next,
Wait, where's the
I
camera?
oh my god, this is all glitter.
No, I'm pretty sure that's sand too.
But it looks like glitter, doesn't it?
Not really.
That looks weird. Like
Okay, I got the white one.
this one's good.
No, wait. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It looks like marbles.
It does. Oh my gosh.
Okay, this is a lot.
No, that's glitter. That's glitter. Okay.
This is so much, guys. Oh my god.
We have like a lot more to go.
I know, a lot more to go.
Okay.
Okay, we're done with the second bowl.
Oh my god, this one's too sticky.
This one's too sticky too.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
I didn't clean my hands.
I didn't. Watch out for the floor. You almost hit my You almost touched my leggings.
Okay.
My favorite ones. This is Jiggle's size. So we should just like leave the container messy because we're probably gonna clean it afterwards. So yeah.
This is a jiggly slime. Like,
Oh my
really-
god, this is massive already.
Stop.
This is gonna be my biggest slime ever.
No, look at.
Wait, bring this over.
It's not even look. It's not even stretchy, but it's good. It's getting in.
Oh my god, my favorite Jiggle slime.
Stop it.
I'm sorry. Hurry, find your slime.
There we go.
Wait, can I do my snow slime?
Where's this?
Wait, that one, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
You could do the nice Lucas one.
It's nice. Okay.
So this is my snow slime, guys. Do you remember this?
Can I feel it?
Remember me
That one's so
when
good.
you have to say goodbye. This one is my favorite
can't-
snow
I
slime.
can't
I can't say bye to this.
You have to.
No, feel it, Nathalia. It's so good.
Oh, I feel bad for you, so, but it's for the challenge.
It's not a challenge. They're just like big slimes.
Look. Oh my god, this one's so good.
I know.
Oh my god, we're almost done.
I know.
That's good because we need.
Oh my
to-
god, this is massive.
No, guys, look. And look inside.
Guys, just to tell you, we are in Natalia's house and she has a dog named Ruby.
So don't mind the
Dog.
noises.
Oh, no.
She's smelling.
This is nice confetti slime. Here, you want to tell you can clean your hands with this.
Cool. Okay. This one's like an eyeball.
I opened it.
Oh, this one's an eyeball slime.
No, that's a balloon slime.
But that is like so.
Guys, remember what? Show them. This is the balloon slime series 21.
Serious.
I have like 36 balloon slimes.
Okay. And
I think we're about to fill up this big tank thing.
yeah, but
My leggings! No!
oh my gosh, girl.
Okay, wait. I got this.
Girl.
I got this. I could save this.
Just take it out.
I can't. We're almost done and your mom's not even here.
Okay, this is nugget
This is
slime.
massive.
A really good slime.
And my leggings are ruined, so.
This is a great slime.
Look how I can't even carry it! Oh my god!
I just added in.
Really much. Oh my god!
Look at the bottom.
Okay, 2 more to go, guys.
Show them the bottom. Wow, that looks like
2 more.
Okay.
Oh,
this
this
is
is slime!
this is the last one, guys. Say goodbye to the last one. Look on the bottom.
So much glitter, I know.
Let's both do this one. Say
My
good.
favorite slime!
Okay, let's both take this one out.
I don't want to.
Okay, you're just like I don't want to. Okay,
Oh my God.
when I say mix, we mix.
Too bad. Wait. Before we mix, we're going to clean up. So be back when we're done cleaning up. Oh my god, so we finished.
Show them the top.
Oh, this is massive. Let's see how deep my hand can go in. Oh my god.
Okay, put it back. Put it back.